A shunt generator has a full load current. So this is a shunt generator with a full load current na 144 amperes. Anong voltage? 230 volts. Then the stray power loss or the SPL is 510 watts. Given na shunt resistance ko is 65 ohm. If it has a full load efficiency na 84%, hindi yan maximum efficiency, full load efficiency. Efficiency mo at full load na 84%. Ano daw yung ating armature resistance? Okay, so hinahanap si armature resistance. So, paano natin kukomputin yan? So, makukuha kagad natin, una, si PL. Tama? Mayroon kang full load current at saka voltage. So, ILVL is equal to PL. Or that is your output. P out is equal to PL is equal to ILVL. So, 144 times 230. That would become 33.12 kilowatts. Then, ano pa yung pwede natin kunin? May output ka na, so pwede mo nang kunin si input. Tama? P in now is P out kasi may efficiency tayo. Efficiency. So that would become divided by 84%. That is 39.43 kilowatts. Tama? Then, gamit ka lang ulit. Hanapin natin si RA. Mahanap na natin si RA. Paano natin hahanapin? P in is equal to P out plus P copper plus P core. Okay? Yung core loss natin dyan, so, itong core loss na to, isa lang yung binigay. Ano yung core loss natin? That would be your SPL lang. So, dito lang tayo sa copper loss, may solution. Okay? So, lagay natin. P in now is equal to P out. Ano-ano ba yung mga copper loss natin? That is power ni armature plus power ni shunt. Okay? Plus SPL. Ayan na. So, pwede na nating i-substitute yung mga nakuha natin. So, 39.43 kilowatts is equal to P out natin. That would become 33.12 kilowatts plus yung PA natin hinahanap, that is IA squared RA plus P shunt natin, that is V shunt squared over R shunt kung wala kang I shunt, or pwede rin I shunt squared R shunt kasi may R shunt naman tayo, plus SPL natin na 510 watts. So, wala tayong I shunt, wala tayong armature current. So, pero natin kunin si I shunt. So, dapat kinuha natin yun. Ang I shunt natin is V load divided by R shunt. So, that is 230 volts divided by 65. So, 230 divided by 65. That is 3.538 amperes. Then, kunin mo na rin si I armature. I armature now is I load. Ano yung I load natin ulit? 144 plus 3.538. That would become 147.538 amperes. Okay? So, kunin mo na ngayon yung ating continuation. Continue natin ito. Dito na lang. Baba natin. Okay? 39.43 kilowatts is equal to 33.12 kilowatts plus IA natin 147.538 squared times RA natin. Ilan yung RA? That is, hinahanap pala. Plus I shunt natin. So, store na lang natin kaya. Store na lang natin para hindi tayo mahirapang mag-type. So, store ko to kay B. Tapos, store ko to kay A. Yan. Para hindi na natin i-type. So, store ko to kay B. Tapos, yung A natin, 144 plus B. Store ko kay A. Yan. So, this would become A squared times RA plus B squared times R shunt natin na 65 plus 510. Okay, then pwede ka na mag-shift solve. So, 39.43 kilowatts is equal to 33.12 kilowatts plus A squared times X plus B squared times 65 plus 510. Shift solve. Equals, then lagay mo 0. So that is 0.229 ohms. So that would be your answer. Okay? 0.229 amperes. Okay, that is letter B. Paki-screenshot, part 1. Then, part 2. Yung mga next item, paki-ready na lang. Screenshot natin ng solutions. Okay, so paki-prepare yung screenshots nyo for the next item and paki-check na rin yung sagot. So, number 31 to 33. 34. 35. Pagkasahin natin. Ayan, 35. So, ito yung step 2. Ito na nila. Okay, 36. Zipon lang din yung ginamit natin kay 36. 37 to 39. So, ito. Bakit natin nasabing number of poles is 2? Kasi nga, mag-i-equal sila using this formula. So, ito po yung formula natin for comparison between electrical degree and mechanical degree. Okay, number 40. Part 1. So, dalawa kasi yung condition na binigay dito. Una is yung naka-rated load or naka-full load po. Then, hanapin mo yung maximum efficiency. So, at max load naman siya. Kaya medyo mahaba rin yung solution dito. So, part 1. Then, part 2. Yan. Okay, next item, number 41. Yan, pagkasahin natin. So, step 2 ulit, itong EG. So, sana nakuha yung mga ganitong problem. Simple application lang po ng different circuits ng DC generator. Okay, 42. Pati ito. Walang choices. Simple application ng series DC generator. Okay, 43 to 45. 46. 47. Then last solving, number 48. So dito napakaraming given pero ang gagamitin mo lang pala ay yung efficiency, yung power, at saka yung ating speed. Di ba? Napakaraming given. Pero ang hinahanap lang kasi is torque ng prime mover. Ang prime mover natin is yung input natin. Okay? So, input lang yung hinanap natin. Okay? So, last item, 49 to 50 objectives. Okay, sige. So, kung may questions kayo sa DC generator na question, just approach us, mag-PM lang po sa akin or sa ibang instructor. And, ayun. So, kung wala nang tanong, pwede na tayong mag-leave. So, salamat, engineers. Okay, so kung wala nang question, pwede na pong mag-leave.